ಬ್ಯಾಡವ್ವ ಜೀತಕ್ಕ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಎಳೆ ಬಾಳೆ ಸುಳಿ ನಾನವ್ವ ಹಚ್ಚ ಬ್ಯಾಡವ್ವ ಜೀತಕ್ಕ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಎಳೆ ಬಾಳೆ ಸುಳಿ ನಾನವ್ವ ಅವ್ವ ಎಳೆ ಬಾಳೆ ಸುಳಿ ನಾನವ್ವ ಬೆಟ್ಟವ ಹತ್ತಲಾರೆ ಹಳ್ಳವ ಇಳಿಯಲಾರೆ ಮುಳ್ಳಿನ ಹಾದ್ಯಾಗ ಕಳ್ಳಿಯ ಸಾಲಾಗ ದನಗಳ ಬೆನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಲೆದಲೆದು ದಣಿಯಲಾರೆ.
Hartali village in Mysore in southern India. Most of the villagers here live below the official Indian poverty line, less than $1 a day, and women and children bear the brunt of it. Pushpa was only 13 when she had to drop out of school and get married. By 14, she had already given birth to her first child. Today, at 15, her health as a child mother has suffered, and she finds looking after her baby very difficult. You were studying in school. Why did you leave and get married?
My mother forced me to marry. She told me to stop going to school and married me off.
Is that what you wanted to do?
No, I wanted to study, but she wouldn't let me continue.
Did you have difficulty during childbirth?
Yes, I had a lot of difficulty. I threw up a lot.
How are you managing your child? You're a child yourself.
My mother looks after my baby.
Pushpa isn't alone. In no less than 6 Indian states, the average age for marrying among rural girls is under 14 years, according to the Indian Council of Medical Research. In the Maharashtra village of Karandi in western India, Dasharath farms just 1 acre of land. Today, he's working harder than usual because there's an extra mouth to feed. His wife Jayashree has just given birth to a son, a cause for great joy for the couple. But this is their 11th child. 5 of Jayashree's children have already died, 3 of them boys. Jayashree is already a grandmother. Her married eldest daughter is visiting her to see the new baby. But it was the desire for a son that's driven Jayashree to go through the process of childbearing again and again. How's your health after so many pregnancies?
Well, I don't have a choice. It's the hope of having a son who will live. That's why I have endured so much.
Repeated childbearing combined with early marriage have always been major causes of infant mortality. 2.5 million children die every year in India, according to UNICEF, more than half of them newborn babies. But now there is a new concern. While the infant mortality rate has been declining over the last 30 years, today there are disturbing reports from over half of the states in India that the trend is beginning to reverse. The Central Health Ministry has launched an investigation into what is going wrong.
The infant mortality rates in this country, which were falling over the 90s, the rate of decline first reduced, and then over 96, 97, 98, there's almost an stagnation and probably the beginning of an increase in infant mortality.
Chronic malnutrition is a major factor in infant mortality. The UN says more than half of India's children under 4 are malnourished. The World Bank estimates that chronic malnutrition costs India $10 billion a year in loss of productivity, illness and death. The World Health Organization defines low birth weight babies as weighing less than 2.5 kilos. 1 in 3 babies in India are now born low